start again. It's a rich thing.
First fish in the new boat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a healthy fish. Here.
Can't get the hook, you can't.
Here, give yourself a little shot, bro. Hey! Come in.
What's up?
Filming now. Yeah.
Old pump rifle, he's like, get out here, I'm down here by the hell places.
Well, that's what
I need to get to the
that'd be me and Colt, and I was like,
I need to get to
I said you'd have been blasting.
I need to get to the such and such. I'm already over here. They look like they're not running it now. No sense of urgency.
No, at all.
If I got a whole Wrangler shirt on, if I got to shoot another one, I guess I will.
Fighting chance.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think that's the deal here.
Lake Hill's finest 14.5 inches. We're going back.
Well, tell them we're fishing.
Yeah. We're riding the other day and somebody was like, Hill?
I guess people have secret fishing spots, but too.
There you
Oh,
go.
when he came off fully.
Oh, it might have hit that stuff.
Oh,
I doubt it. No, it shouldn't be. I'm telling you, these plugs only run about. You're fishing 3.5, 4 foot of water with them. They only run about 20 feet. Got the biggest one today. That's a pretty good fish.
heck yeah.
Oh, I'm all over the place. Come on up here, Junior. Be a man. Grab the sapperoo. Oh, that's that other one too. Turn around and look at the GoPro, guy. Not bad, coach. Ta-da! I'm getting old enough to know I need to fly. Good afternoon.
Heck yeah.
That was quick. That was what we catch 4 fish in an hour.
Yeah.
But here, let me see it. So obviously, we're not conventionally bass fishing right now.
No.
Just trolling plugs because we only had about an hour until dark. We've been messing around with this fuel pump.
Of course, Pops came up with the idea. Let's go throw some plugs out in this cave. And we caught some fish.
And it's working. So we're heading back to the boat ramp now, but I'll still try to throw a quick video together for you guys. Probably like 5-6 minutes.
Trying to fill my beer.
Anyways, we'll catch y'all at the ramp.
Yes.
But I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. We just got back to the ramp, got the boat loaded up, truck's back there, got Code Man with me.
Yo.
Not very often that we get to get out and just fish, just my dad and them, you know. It doesn't happen like that very often. But anyways, we're at the boat ramp. Dad's over there talking to some people. But yeah, we're just out here. Had a good old time with my dad and my brother. It's not very often that the 3 of us get to go and do something. So anyways, appreciate you guys. See y'all.